Insta360 Ace Pro, up in the air with a drone, dropping 100 meters. Will it survive? 3, 2, 1. There it goes. The Insta360 Ace Pro is the newest camera on the block at the moment. Now, everyone's saying, is it very durable or anything like that? Well, today's video, we're going to be testing that out, and we're going to be testing it out straight away with a drop. Camera's rolling. Let's go. And yes, it is still recording. All right, as you can see, we do have a bit of damage here, but that was saved because I had a screen protector on it. So good on for the screen protector, but it's only cracked that. We have a little bit of scuff and damage here, but everything is still working and is working perfectly fine as well. Let's get on to the next test. All right, here we are at the local skate park, bike park. I'm gonna run over it with my BMX and we're gonna see if it breaks. Here we go, I'm gonna put the camera just down on here and then gonna run over it on my bike. Let's see if it lasts. Screen is going to be up this time. Oh, here we go. Is it still working? Is it still recording? Yes, it is still recording. We have a little bit more damage on there, but hell, it is still recording. All right, let's change location and go over and do the final test of the Insta360 Ace Pro on how durable this is. Insta360 Ace Pro, up in the air with a drone, dropping 100 meters. Will it survive? All right, let's send this Ace Pro in the sky with the drone and drop it from 100 meters. All right, we're 100 meters in the sky. Let's let it drop. 3, 2, 1. There it goes. And the wind's taking it. Whoa. All right. Is it working still? Are you still working? It's still recording. It is still recording. All right, let's land this drone. Well, there you go, guys. It is absolutely unbreakable. I have dropped it from 100 meters in the air from a drone. I have dropped it on the ground. I've even run it over on a push bike. As you can see, the Insta360 Ace Pro is absolutely unbreakable. If you would like to pick up an Ace Pro, there'll be a link below. It is an affiliated link and I do get a kickback from it, but thank you very much for buying it anyway. Everything else I use, I'll leave links below as well. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And until next time, guys, I'm Colin from OColin, out.